Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. That's a lot of cupcakes. Pete and Gus were busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. They had 10 when they were done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, hang on! Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had be 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. They counted the cupcakes. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Then they found a clue. Gus said, look what I found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was from a squirrel. It was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles. Squirrel said, it wasn't me. It can't be. I've been at the spelling bee. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. But now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Then they found another clue. Pete said it must be I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat. Alligator said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there are only 4. Someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. I bet it was Turtle, said Pete. I know Turtle loves sweets. Turtle said, it wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea. Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. Then they found Grumpy Toad. Pete and Gus solved the case. I'm so sorry, it was me. I could not just stop with just 1. I ate and ate till there were none. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, but wait, Grumpy Toad made the mistake. It's true, let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do. Pete told Grumpy Toad they would give him another chance. He was so excited, he did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad bought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 cupcakes. Pete the Cat's cupcake party. So that's the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed this book. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!